Good morning and welcome to Casual Chef's Kitchen. I'm Chef Matthew. It's Monday morning, beginning of a new week. Did you watch the Super Bowl? Yes? No? Maybe? I kind of did. Sort of. Whatever. All right. Last night, actually yesterday, let's rewind a little bit. Yesterday, I prepared breakfast for Robin and I. Rarity. Big time rarity. I typically don't cook morning breakfast, even on the weekend. But I got a wild hair. I decided, hey, let's make some eggs. So I did a 4-egg scramble with mushrooms, a little bit of red bell pepper, some red onion, some herbs, yada, yada, yada. I did some O'Brien potatoes with red onion, garlic, and red bell pepper. Got a theme here? And actually, I'm sorry, the eggs, the scramble actually had bacon in it. And we had some wonderful link sausage. Filling. Yeah, we were both full. Then for dinner, I did cowboy stew. Here's a picture. Now, because you can see the pot is full, I'm not cooking tonight. Yeah. I'm going to push a couple things. One, the hash brown dish that I was going to do from GZ, I'm actually going to do next week. Robin and I agree the smoked salmon will keep. And so will the other ingredients. So Robin actually gets her shrimp scampi pasta on Valentine's Day, because shrimp scampi is one of her favorites. So, I'm not cooking tonight, but today, because part of the shopping we did yesterday, our normal shopping day, I got a couple things to do. Garlic. It's a episode for young people's cooking series, which of course I'll share the link on in the regular group. But it's covering all forms of garlic, not types, but forms of garlic. Okay, I want to dispel some rumors about some of the different forms of garlic you can purchase and use. So that's what I'm working on today. And if you saw my in-depth behind-the-scenes video, I cleaned my desk yesterday. Wow! I am going to share a photo of my clean desk. Yes. So, have a great Monday. Eat great food, and have fun cooking. Mana mana, mana mana.